Hello, fabulous first graders and your families. This is Miss Marshall over here at RES. Over the next couple of weeks, Mrs. Frost, Miss Pinkham, and I will be sharing lots of home learning opportunities with you. And today I thought I'd start by sharing a game that my class has played before. It's super simple, sight word list game. You can play this game using your first grade high frequency word list that you can find in your distance learning pack that was either delivered or picked up this week. And if you don't have access to that document, I have it right here behind me in this video on the screen. So for this game, it is a singing game, so I apologize in advance for my voice quality. But the way that it's played is that you pick a sight word off of the list, and if you are playing with your child, you can take turns who gets to guess what the word is and who gets to pick what the word is. For the first round, I will tell you what my word is before we start so you can get an idea. It is played to the tune of Hi Ho the Dairy-O, so it's an easy song to remember. So for the first round, my word is look. From here on out, after I tell you this first one, I won't tell you the next ones because it is a guess the hidden word or guess the secret word game. So here we go. Can you guess the word? Can you guess the word? Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? It starts with a ooh. Starts with a ooh. Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? It has 4 letters. It has 4 letters. Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? Rhymes with book. Rhymes with book. Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? Then you sort of pause and give them a chance to respond. And again, for this first round, my word was look. So we'll play a couple more, and if you have your sight word list in front of you or if you're watching on the screen, see if you can guess what my secret word is before I get to the end of my song. Okay, here we go. Can you guess the word? Can you guess the word? Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? Starts with a b. Starts with a b. Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? Has 4 letters. It has 4 letters. Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? Rhymes with Mac. Rhymes with Mac. Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? Any ideas? Have you found it yet? Okay, we'll go on to the next one. If you haven't solved it yet, you can always replay the video and try again. I'll give you the answers at the end. Okay, next one. Can you guess the word? Can you guess the word? Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? Starts with a ooh, starts with a ooh. Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? Has 4 letters. It has 4 letters. Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? Rhymes with song. It rhymes with song. Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? Any guesses, first graders? How about your parents? Okay, last one that we'll do for today. Ready? Can you guess the word? Can you guess the word? Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? Starts the starts the Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? Has 4 letters. It has 4 letters. Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? It rhymes with toast. It rhymes with toast. Hi ho the dairy-o. Can you guess the word? Okay, so there were 3 rounds right there. Did you guess what the words were? My first word was back. My second word was long, and my last word was most. This is a game that you can play with any number of words. You can play it in the car or while you're cooking breakfast. It doesn't have to be a long, involved game, but it's just one example of how you can take our sight word list and do something creative with it. So we hope that you are all having fun in your distance learning, and we hope to see you back at school sometime soon. Have a great day.